In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Jio Hotstar not working. If you're having any sort of issues with Jio Hotstar, whether it may be buffering or the app in general not working out, let me show you a few fixes that you can try out. Now, if you're using the Jio Hotstar application, what you can do is tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. You might also see an option called App Info. You can tap on that option. If you're not using an Android device, and if you're using an iPhone, you need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload the application. From this settings, you can tap on the clear data option and tap on clear all data. This will clear out all of the unwanted caches and will also log you out of your account. So once you complete this step, you can head back and log into your account and see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can do is try to look for any new updates available. So open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Jio Hotstar, and if there are any new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. Updating applications helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now, once you've done both of these steps and you're still having the not working issue, the last thing that you can try out is try to use Jio Hotstar from the website. So open up your web browser, search for Jio Hotstar, and try to see if it works on the web. If you're still having issues on the web as well, then that likely means the system of Jio Hotstar is currently facing issues. In this case, you just need to wait out until the issue is solved. These are the few steps that you can follow in order to fix Jio Hotstar not working. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.